Rasso. After that, the Majority Leader, then we close there.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I rise to pay tribute to General Ogolla and 9 other gallant officers and men and women who fell in that terrible air crash. Honorable Speaker, I know General Ogolla because we joined the KDF just around the same time, and our paths crossed as he grew up in the Kenya Air Force, and I was in the Kenya Army. He was a first-rate officer because he flew the jets that flies further than the speed of sound. He didn't die in a jet, but he died in a helicopter that flies low and it flies slow. That is the fate that can befall us. But he leaves a legacy as a professional, a humble man, diligent, who had a focused approach to making defense and the defense of Kenya better. From Marsabit, we lost Mohamed Sora, a young man who just got promoted Tuesday last week. But as a pilot, he happens to be the only pilot flying in the Kenya Air Force from the community of the Boran. So that is what could happen in such a tragic thing. But finally, it is the issue of bandits, lawlessness, impunity, people who have taken over vast parts of this country.
Thank you, honorable members.